Namaste and good morning. And it's Diwali time, so what could be a better occasion than to talk about eating during Diwali time? This is a festival of lights and also eating. We eat a lot of sweets and fancy dishes, don't we? We're not going to talk about what to eat or why to eat. You already know many things, what to eat and what not. But we'll talk about how to eat and how not to eat. So we should not be eating while we are working on a laptop or a phone, and at the same time or maybe watching a TV and eating. This is the most common scenes that we do at homes. We need to avoid that if we really want to eat mindfully. And then of course no talking while eating. People have meetings over eating, and people read newspapers or watch news along with their breakfast. Instead of eating food, we are eating all the news that we are getting from the newspaper or the TV. So how do we eat? We eat with total focus on the food, with the little note of gratitude to all the people who produce this food, who transported this food all the way to our markets and our homes, and the person who cooked it, and eventually the person who served it on the table. And with that, we just take a deep breath, and we know why we're eating this, to satisfy our hunger. It could be several reasons for our desired state of well-being in eating. It's very obvious. Now we can think about a couple of well-being anchors which will help us stay on our well-being as a priority while eating, and that could be the bite size, which ideally should be very small, not very big. And then we could be focusing on the speed of how we are chewing, how fast we are chewing, and we can also just enjoying the taste of the food, the aroma, or maybe the color of the food, different food types, and be grateful. Being grateful could itself be a well-being anchor while eating. And then throughout the eating, even if we don't remember being mindful, at least we can just do it for 3 to 5 bites, and then later on, as and when we remember, using breath as one anchor, we can think of the food, the taste, our chewing speed, or the aroma, or just even thinking about are we full or not yet, because sometimes we keep on eating without realizing that we are already full. Ideally we should have half the stomach full with food, 1/4 with water, and the 1/4 should be empty. One more important thing in mindful eating is building a relationship with our food, whether it's snacks, whether it's tea, coffee, or full meals, or sweets. If we build a relationship with the food and eat it mindfully without any distraction of anything else, like not reading a newspaper or watching TV or looking at laptop or mobile, we can have a total one-on-one relationship with the food, and the food will be very happy. Okay, this person is eating me so intimately that I have to give out my everything to it, all the ingredients that I have. So just see how wonderful relationship we can make with our food. Then even the simplest food will give us all the vitamins, all the nutrients that we need. So maybe in one of the meals we are mindful, maybe only the first few bites we are mindful. So just take it small steps, and eventually you'll see how your relationship with the food will take you and make your whole meal a whole meal. And that will, if you're doing that, it will tell you what to eat and why to eat along with how to eat. So I hope you enjoy this, and enjoy all the food, all the sweets and delicacies that will come your way, with a little prayer of gratitude in the beginning and in the end also. We should be grateful to our teeth, to our digestive system, the digestive juices, and all the things that it was served on the dining table. So in the beginning, in the end, in this activity, we should be grateful as much as possible. Let's enjoy that mindfully and get the maximum benefit, the health benefits from our food by eating it mindfully. Okay, thank you so much, and enjoy and have a happy Diwali. Bye bye.